The most effective method to grow a sensitive plant mimosa pudica from seed. Pick planting time. Plant mimosa pudica seeds inside in spring, whenever before the last ice. Buy a few seeds from a legitimate producer. Remove the darker external covering. At that point, you will have a greenish seed. Set up your preparing blend. Mimosa pudica can develop in the most all-around depleted soil. For best outcomes, be that as it may, attempt a blend of topsoil and dry, circulating air through materials. For example, 2 sections soil, 2 sections peat greenery, and 1 section sand or perlite. Splash the seeds, discretionary. The seeds will probably develop on the off chance that you debilitate the extreme external seed coat first. Plant a few seeds in every little window box. Place each seed scarcely beneath the surface of the dirt, around 3 mm, 1/8 of an inch, down. Water the dirt. Water until the point that the dirt is somewhat wet, however not saturated. Water again at whatever point the dirt is going to dry out. Give a lot of daylight. On the off chance that sensitive plants don't get enough sun, they may close their clears out. Place them in an area where they get full sun for the greater part of the day or in complete shade in the event that you live in an extremely hot locale. Transplant to different pots when vital. Keep the dirt clammy. Keep the plant inside. Prepare routinely. Ensure against icy. Give space to the plant to develop. Watch its life expectancy. Mimosa pudica can get by for no less than 2 years in tropical atmospheres, however, are typically yearly plants in calm zones.